but I feel fairly confident that it will. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I didn't say much about it when Dusty mentioned it in the chat. I felt like I needed to explain myself for a second. Well, alrighty. I know it's a few minutes after 8:30, so let's get started with our 2020-21 Select Basketball Random Player 1 Megabox Break number 1. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Bubba in the top spot and Bubba in the bottom spot. What are the odds? So we will just cut and paste that up against our alphabetical playlist. If I can get it pulled up on the screen. There we go. And of course, we'll cut and paste that over to the right and sort it by everybody's names. Briefly scroll through our list so everybody can see which players they have in the break. And then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Now this is an 8-pack mega box. And we should have a blue, white, and purple cracked ice prism in every single pack. And I dare say we'll have a silver or 2 in there as well, along with some rookie cards and some inserts. And of course, the rookie cards are a little more plentiful in this because rookies have cards in different subsets within the set. So it's kind of like the football. The football we get, we got a lot of really nice rookie content box to box because there were players that they may have had a concourse rookie and then a field level rookie. Well, it's the same with basketball. So now the downside is all the base cards are blue and none of them look like the hobby version, which is frankly off-putting. And while I understand the reasoning behind it, I absolutely hate it. And I'm sure a lot of other folks do too. And I don't think that the regular version that was in retail football really hurt the hobby football that much. Frankly, the hobby football was grossly overpriced to begin with. So if it came down a little bit because of all the retail that was out there, it was probably the proper market correction to happen in the first place. Hey, John, how are you doing this evening? Alrighty, now that we have opened or gone through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. First pack. Mitchell Robinson. Killian Hayes rookie. And then we have a Onyeka, and that is our purple, red, and blue cracked ice prism. And then we have a Select Company Donovan Mitchell insert. Pack number 2. Joseph Nurkic, SGA. Then we have our cracked ice prism Miles Turner. And a Isaiah Stewart. I believe that is a silver, even though it has the blue background. Isaiah Stewart rookie. Next pack. First card, Jalen Smith rookie. We have a Donovan Mitchell base. And then we have a Bam Adebayo cracked ice prism. And then our last card is a Malachi Flynn rookie silver. Next pack. Rui, Jason Tatum, courtside. And then we have a Bogdan Bogdanovic cracked ice prism. And then we have a Karl Anthony Towns silver, which is actually silver. So we have the base silver without the blue background. And then we have the blue background, quote unquote, silver. I guess I should just refer to those as blue prisms. All right, first card is Marvin Bagley III. We have Jamal Murray. And then we have a cracked ice prism of Dame. And then our last card is a blue prism of DeAndre Ayton. Next pack. First card is a Zeke Najee rookie. Then we have a Russell Westbrook base. Oh, we have a cracked ice prism of Tyrese Maxey. Not too shabby there. And then next we have a what looks like to be a green and purple prism of Kemba Walker. I think that is the tricolor prism. That is the green and white prism. Next pack. First card is Cassius Winston rookie. And then we have a Cassius Stanley rookie. And then we have a Jimmy Butler cracked ice prism. And our last card is a Drew Holiday silver. Last pack. Giannis. James Harden. And then we have a Kemba Walker cracked ice prism. And then our last card is a Select Company silver Kevin Durant insert. Alrighty. So now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. We'll start with our inserts. Our first one is our Donovan Mitchell Select Company. And that goes to Michael K. Congrats on that, Michael. I guess it would help if I pulled the list up. There we go. And then our second insert is our Kevin Durant Select Company Silver. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next we'll go through our base rookies. And our first one is Cassius Stanley. And that goes to Bennett. Congrats on that, Bennett. And then next is our Cassius Winston rookie. And that goes to Evan. Congrats on that. And then next is our Zeke Najee rookie. And that goes to Evan as well. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is our Jalen Smith rookie. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then our last base rookie is our Killian Hayes rookie. And that goes to Evan. Congrats on that, Evan. So then next we will go through all of our Prism parallels, and there's quite a few of them. We'll start with our purple and blue cracked ice prisms. We have 8 of those. Our first one is Kemba Walker, and that goes to Evan. And Kemba also had the purple and green regular prism as well. So both of those go to Evan. Congrats on those. And then next is Jimmy Butler, and that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that, Bubba. And the next is Tyree Maxey. And that goes to Evan. Congrats on that. And then next is Damian Lillard. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is Bogdan Bogdanovic. And that goes to Casey. Congrats on that, Casey. And then next is Bam Adebayo. And that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next is Miles Turner. And that goes to Evan. Congrats on that, Evan. And then next is Onyeka. And that goes to Evan as well. Congrats on that. And then next are our blue prisms. And our first one is DeAndre Ayton. And that goes to Jim T. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next is our blue prism of Malachi Flynn. And that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that. And then our last blue prism is our Isaiah Stewart rookie. And that goes to Bubba as well. Congrats on that. So then next we have our two regular silver prisms. And our first one is Drew Holiday. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then our second one is Carl Anthony Towns. And that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that, Bubba. All right. Well, all righty. That concludes our 2020-21 Select Basketball Random Player 1 Megabox Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes with our 21 Topps Museum Collection Baseball Random Player 1 Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody. All right, here is our museum collection box. I'm going to tilt that up like that. Give me just a second to get our list updated. I believe this one is sold out. So thanks to everybody chipping away at this one. I think